Young Americans today are different. Their music is different. And at school, children are learning more at an earlier age. They believe in the ancient prescription of a healthy mind in a healthy body. Young Americans know that they have to be mentally and physically alert in every classroom because of today's educational needs in our space age. A good way to keep them alert is to make sure they get a good lunch under the National School Lunch Program. And that's exactly what 19 million children in thousands of schools are doing every day. They're eating a good, low-cost school lunch that gives them up to half of their daily nutritional needs. Don't take chances. Make sure your child is one of them. Better still, visit your child's school during National School Lunch Week. There's an extra plate for you.